this video is on 0 as an exponent and how to deal with negative exponents. But before we talk about those real quick, just a quick reminder, if you have an exponent of 1, the base value is simply equal to itself. So 4 to the first power is equal to 4. Anything to the first power is equal to itself. Okay? 0 as an exponent, anything with an exponent of 0 equals 1. So n to the 0th equals 1, 4 to the 0th power equals 1, negative 3 to the 0th is 1, and so on. So it doesn't matter what the base is. If the exponent is 0, the overall value is 1. And that can be proven, but you need to know some other properties of exponents, specifically the division property, in order to explain why that's true, which I do that in another lesson. And then lastly, the most important piece of this lesson is negative exponents. And the way that we deal with negative exponents is to change them into positive exponents, because we know how to work with positive exponents. So to do that, all you have to do is take a power, put it under 1, and the exponent becomes positive. So I don't like the format this is written in, so let me just rewrite this. 7 to the negative third is equivalent to 1 over 7 to the positive third. Negative 5 to the negative second is equivalent to 1 over negative 5 to the positive second. So you simply take the power, put it under 1, and that makes the exponent positive. And again, that can be proven using the division property of exponents. All right, so let's look at some examples of problems you might see with this. So write as a fraction with a positive exponent. So in this example, they're asking you to leave your answer with an exponent. So they don't want you to go ahead and evaluate it. So all they want you to do is just simply rewrite this as 1 over 9 to the positive second. And that's it. 85 to the negative 12th. They just want to make sure that you know how to change a negative exponent into a positive one. And you're just simply putting the power under 1 and it becomes positive. That's it. Now, the other type of problem that you're going to see, they're asking you to write it without exponents. So they basically want you to do the same thing that we did here, but they want you to go ahead and take it one step further. And so like this first one here that we did before, they want you to take that to 1 over 81, because 9 times 9 is 81. So 3 to the negative third, first you need to change it to a positive exponent. So you put it under 1. And then remember, the way that exponents or powers work is the exponent tells you how many times to multiply the base times itself. So it'd be 3 times 3 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. So it's 1/27. 2 to the negative fourth, first change it into 1 over 2 to the positive fourth. And then 2 to the fourth is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Now, if you have a fraction as your base, okay, so let's do the same thing that we did up here. Let's put it under 1. So this is going to look kind of funny for some of you. So 1 over 1/6 to the positive second. Well, that is the exact same thing as 6 over 1 to the positive second. So really what you have to do, or all you have to do if your base is a fraction, is flip it over, and then the exponent becomes positive. And 6 over 1 is just 6, so 6 to the second would be 6 times 6, or 36. Let's look at one more of those. So 1/2 to the negative third, just simply flip it over. The exponent becomes positive. 2 over 1 is the same thing as 2. 2 to the third. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. And I don't think I have anything on this last slide. Yeah, I wasn't going to go over that. All right, so that's how you handle negative exponents. Change them into positive exponents, and then you can evaluate them from there. So hopefully that was helpful. If so, give it a like and a subscribe. Until next time.